In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find your saved passwords on your Google account. So to do this, it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this on your mobile phone and on your PC. So I'll be doing this tutorial on a PC, on a laptop, you can see. But if you're using a mobile phone, you can follow, you are going to get this. So now let's hop on here on a Google page like this. So if you're using a mobile phone, Android or iOS, just hop on your Chrome or Safari, something like that. And then you move to your settings here, and then you move to your password and then management. So I tap on the password here, and then you move to Google Password Manager. So something like this, you tap on it. Good, and then they bring you here. So you can see this account are the accounts that I have their password saved on this Gmail, something like that. So this is another way in which you can do this. Very simple. So with this, you just need to enter this URL. So passwords.google.com. Let me show you guys. Passwords.google.com. So when you search like this, it's going to redirect you to this page. You are going to get access to all these passwords. So when you tap on them, when you tap on it like this, it's going to review the password of this account, something like that. If you are using a mobile phone, you'd have to enter your mobile phone lock screen, something like that. So in this case, on a PC, when I tap on it, they'll tell me to prove whether it's me. So they will tell me to enter a password like that. Simple and easy. You're good to go. You can check your passwords. You can delete them. I think deleting them, you'd have to tap on it like this. Good. So I would have to enter my password before I get access to that. It's going to be a long process. So that's it. So when you enter your password, you're going to get access to the password of that account, and then you can choose to delete it or change it or do anything like that. That's it for the video. If you are new here, do well to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.